Okay, so 8th graders, this is a breakdown of your schedule for distance learning. There are some differences from last spring. The first one is that the emphasis is on the live online school day. If you look at the chart here, all the live calls are highlighted in blue. This means on Mondays and Thursdays, period 1, 2, and 3 will all meet through Zoom through a link, or Google Meets through a link that's provided through Google Classroom. So period 1 on Mondays and Thursdays from 8:45 to 9:40. Period 2 from 9:50 to 10:45. And period 3 from 10:55 to 11:50. You can meet with your teachers where they will deliver live instruction and go through the learning materials. So assignments that are due will be provided during this time. Tuesdays and Thursdays, you meet with your, Tuesdays and Fridays, you meet with period 4, 5, and 7. Your 6th period is your lunch period. That's why it doesn't have a 6th period. Your 4th, 5th, and 7th periods meet on Tuesdays and Fridays. 4th period meets 8:45 to 9:40. 5th period 9:50 to 10:45. And then 10:55 to 11:50, you meet with your period 7 teacher. On Wednesdays, you meet with each of your teachers for each of your classes for half an hour. It's almost just like, it's so similar to the minimum days that we have when we are on campus. So period 1, 7:40 to 8:10. Period 2, 8:15 to 8:45. Period 3, 8:50 to 9:20. Period 4, 9:25 to 9:55. Period 5, 10 to 10:30. You'll have a break from 10:35 to 11:05. And then period 7 is from 11:10 to 11:40. That's on Wednesdays. These areas in green, so I'm going to bring your attention to these now. These are when you may meet with your period teacher that's assigned. So for example, maybe on Friday, your teacher noticed that you and a couple other students are having trouble with a certain assignment. He or she may ask you to join he or she in a Zoom call on Mondays from 7:45 to 8:35. This is the same is true on Tuesdays for first period, and then it alternates again, 4th period, 1st period. If you look in the afternoons, you may be asked by your 5th period teacher to come and join you, or your 7th period teacher on Mondays and Thursdays. And then on Tuesdays, your 2nd or 3rd period teacher may ask you to do some group work. They are talking about maybe if you're having trouble with a history assignment, you might not meet with your history teacher. You might meet with a different history teacher or different math teacher, whatever content it is that you have during these times. You may meet with a different teacher than the teacher you have on record, because sometimes hearing things from a different teacher helps to clear things up. So that is what those green times are for. They're for meeting with your teachers either individually or in small groups upon the teacher's request or your request. So you can send a teacher an email or a message through Google Classroom that says, I'm really struggling with this assignment. Can I meet with you during the Friday session of small group time? And they will do that for you. I don't anticipate that these green times will really be used for a while, okay, for a couple weeks. But I wanted to go over what these different things met on the chart. It is so important, 8th graders, that you are on those Zoom or Google Meet calls with your teachers. That is your best chance for being successful in class and getting the help that you need. And it will give you time to see other students and interact with them around the curriculum, which helps you learn. Okay, this will be posted in my Google Classroom for the entirety of the distance learning, so you can refer to either the video or the chart. Both are available for you to access. I will see you